I think that you are the best fans in the whole world. And that's because you accept me for who I am. And I wanted to share with you something that might make you understand yourself better, because you know I have a very rebellious spirit, so when people incessantly want me to be normal, it makes me want to be less normal. When people tell me what to do, it makes me want to do the opposite. And since I started my career, they've been telling me I'm a freak, so it just makes me want to get the fuck out.